What's going on, guys? This is the Mafia Garage, and it's raining. It's raining today. I'm at Philadelphia, Warminster. Well, it's not Philadelphia, but I'm in the Philadelphia region for Scca. Today I'm at Warminster Park. You guys may have seen my other videos of me at Warminster Park with my MR2. Today's the first day I'm taking the Sera. I have some new tires on there, but unfortunately it's raining right now. So I have all seasons on the car. It should do pretty well. It's pretty cold outside, surprisingly, for July. I mean, for August. Like, I don't even know my own dates. We'll see how this goes. It looks like it'll go pretty well, but we'll see what happens. I don't know if my GoPro is going to be sticking on that well because it's kind of moist outside. So yeah, we'll see how today goes, and today might be a good one, or today might be a bad one, or I don't know, mix of bad and good. But so far it's been pretty damp, cold, and damp. So yeah, guys, I'm not going to record too much. I can't really take that much pictures because it's like raining a lot. So we'll see how everything goes, and I'll just record my runs, and then yeah, that's all I can do. But yeah, guys, let's see what happens. Baby, 51.3, baby. That was number 4 right there. 51.3 your boy got. Now, on the video, I did kick the back end out a little bit. But man, these tires are great. All seasons, man, all seasons. You get excited and then your voice starts cracking. Nah, this is great, man. Oh, 51.3, that's freaking crazy, man. Woo! What a crazy time. All right. Alright, well, I'm sure you guys can hear me breathing pretty hard, man. That was freaking exhilarating. Dude, man, this car, I had some poop tires before. I know you guys see my other Autocross. Man, those tires were not good. These tires, whoo, like literally, like I was not breaking traction. It was, well, you know, I was. But when I was turning like a corner, usually front wheel drive breaks traction, the car was gripping. Crazy, man. 480 treadwear tires, if anybody's wondering. That's literally all seasons. Like, damn. Oh, 51.3. Wow, that's crazy. Alright guys, so we're done for today. That was a really nice time I had. Unfortunately, it got really cold and really wet, like I said before, but I had to stand out there and work, so man, it was just a very damp, cold time, and it was okay. I got a pretty good time. I wasn't last in my class, which was pretty good, and I wasn't last overall, so it was a pretty nice day today. But yeah, guys, me and my buddy Zane, this white MR2, we had a blast out there. Really sketchy, first time out in the rain, like being like this with the Sera, but these tires held up really well. They're Otsu FP0612s. I usually run FP 7000s, but I wanted to try these out. These are really good. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys take it easy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.